Sidewinder XPR, but the actual library or cabinets is there as well. So your inexperienced operators or new operators or just simply production is a touchscreen finger selecting cabinets. And I'm going to go into that in more detail. Let's go ahead and get started with our IWF 2020 presentation. My name is Chris Corrales with CNC Factory. Again, a great audience, and I thank everybody for being here. I am honored. Now, today we're going to be talking about the Sidewinder XPR.
Designed in California, CNC Factory's 5th generation CNC machines are a true feat of engineering. Boost your production with fewer manpower, less maintenance, and absolutely no thinking. Visit cncfactory.com for more information.
Hello, and thank you for being here at the IWF Connect. My name is Chris Corrales, and I'm so excited to share the new Sidewinder XPR. Built as a robust standalone 5G CNC router at a price point that makes it possible. Designed for expandability, the Sidewinder can also be transformed to a complete machine center as you grow. The power of adding drill blocks, loading tables, marking tools, and unloading conveyors gives you scalable options without limitations. Quickly, you will see the extended growth capabilities that change the dynamic of your production. Now, remember, this can be done from day one or years later with simple plug-and-play connections. The Sidewinder XPR is already equipped as a fully loaded CNC router and your foundation to manufacturing. Using 5th generation, it will do virtually all the thinking for the operator. Even the setup is plug and play with 5G controls. And again, you never need to home your machine. Doing more with less employees, more production, making it easy and taking the thinking out of the equation. 5th generation gives you tons of driverless capabilities and is always communicating with the operator. Now you're going to see what one employee can do in this new generation of driverless CNCs with built-in cutting libraries and touchscreen controls. The operator can select their files or choose cabinets directly from the screen. No more dedicated programmers needed. And with the touch of a finger, the Sidewinder automatically cleans the spoil board, loads, and positions the material. Again, no heavy attributes from the operator. The operator will simply select their working file or cabinets from the built-in library and go. The operator can select one or several sheets and process all at the same time for non-stop operations. Another huge production booster is using the DeLucci vision marking tools. The Sidewinder can now mark components with secondary production instructions, such as what side to edge band. Doing more with less, you can quickly see the ROI of lean manufacturing with the new 5G Sidewinder XPR. The operator is not taxed and can easily be replaced with another operator during lunchtimes or being absent. The Sidewinder has the built-in virtual live support, operational videos, and high-definition camera that boosts CNC Factory's lifetime support. Welcome to the power of driverless CNC. The Sidewinder XPR has removed the critical thinking and production stop signs with driverless controls. Ease of use and human errors are a thing of the past.
Again, my name is Chris Corrales. Thank you again for being here. We have a great audience, and I wanted to start answering some of the questions, and I have them on social media, and we have one here from Dale. And thank you for watching our video on Monday about the hole working cell. Oh, and Yes. Yes, Lindsay, or excuse me, Dale. So reading the question was, can you expand your Sidewinder over the next year? And yes, you can. And that's actually one reason why the Sidewinder XPR is such a big seller for us. It is designed for expandability, allowing you to grow with your company as you grow. You can add that loading table, or you can add that unloading table at any given time. As your needs progress and you need more production, less cycle times, you can expand this machine to a full working cell, almost just like the Python. And I say almost, the only thing that's different is the Python will handle onboard label printing directly. The Sidewinder XPR will do the vision markers, marking the edges of the material, and I just talked about that a few minutes ago. So to answer your question, you can expand as time goes on. And thank you again for watching on Monday as well. Ron, does it go into more detail on the medium-sized custom cabinet shops? Thank you. Yes, actually, I think we have, I'm going to say 70 videos. And in cabinet shops, like you, I cut cabinets for over 20 years. So you're going to see a lot of our personality in our builds of our CNC machines, from the Viper all the way up to the Python. You can reach us directly right after the presentation on our contact listing, or at 714-581-5999. But our machines are, again, designed around the cabinet shop. We do not have salespeople here. We have a great customer service staff that's very versed and very talented in the cabinet business. So fire away with questions that you might have after the presentation. And again, it's an honor to have you here. Thank you so much. Let's see if I can answer another one. Ron, thank you. Social media, Lindsay, will the Sidewinder clean the spoil board? Yes, the Sidewinder will clean the spoil board. It's actually attached to the automatic unloading arm. So you'll have one central point of dust collection on your machine on the Sidewinder. So when you go to unload, it will close all the chambers and just focus that dust collection on that unloading arm. So it will automatically clean the spoil board. In addition, there is pressurized air that shoots inside the unloading arm and stimulates some of the heavier parts that might get caught in one of the grooves. Great job of cleaning the spoil board, and at the same time, it's unloading the material. In addition, there is an auto clean button, again on a touchscreen, that you can type and it will, or push, and it will automatically clean your spoil board for you as well. This is a huge mental and physical stop sign, and it's eliminated or reduced down to about 20 to 30 seconds. Let's see. Does it come with robotic unload? Yes, it does come with the robotic loading arm already as a standard in the XPR, Sidewinder XPR build, including the pressurized air cleaning. Again, being in the cabinet business, we want that spoil board clean. We want to go from one sheet right into the second sheet with no stop signs. Let us go to here, social media. Kyle. Okay, Kyle, thank you. You have two questions, and the first one is, what kind of vacuum table on the Sidewinder and how many hold down holes? So on the Sidewinder XPR, like our Python, it is an advanced dual layer high flow vacuum system. And I can tell you, you're asking with experience, if you're asking how many holes, depending on the table size, you're going to get between 140 and 180 holes. So in the older machines, you'll get a single layer with 8 or 10 holes. In a dual layer or high flow vacuum, you're going to get 140 plus access holes for your vacuum. So much stronger hold down. And again, it's all controlled at your touch screen. So there's no levers to move around or a combination to figure out. In addition, turning on or off your vacuum flow, those things are a thing of the past. The machine will do it for you, or with your finger touching the screen will open and close and allow you to manually select what zones you want for special applications. It doesn't get any easier than that. And the second question was, can I use 2 pumps if I get a 5x10? Absolutely. Now, on the XPR series, our machines are already plumbed for 2 vacuums. So what that means is that most people will use 1 vacuum for certain sizes and it's ready to go. However, if you add a second pump, you really need a different configuration of piping inside. The XPR series has that. So there is a button that you can push that will now turn it into dual vacuum mode, which is huge. So you get the benefit of dual vacuum hold down. And again, Kyle, thank you. I know that question came from experience. Thank you for asking. Let's see if I have another one. Perfect. All right, let's go to Henron. After delivery, okay? Henron wants to know is after delivery and the operator needs support, is there a cost? And thank you for that question. And it could be 6 months down the line, you might get a new operator. Doesn't mean that the manager might not be there and he runs into a challenge or an issue or just a question. The first part of your question is how, just simply on your touchscreen, you can log right into us. You can call us directly, and your support is lifetime. That's your investment with CNC Factory. Again, there is no cost, and there's not going to be an annual fee in order to continue offering that type of support. So yes, we have voice. In addition, we have virtual. When I say that, that means that we can actually get into your machine. We can operate your machine. We can see what the operator sees. In fact, it has an installed digital high definition camera that allows us to see the machine and or the operator. This level of virtual support, in addition to our experience, puts us at a level that is I want to say awesome, but it really gets these users up and going if they have a question, again, right after your delivery or 6 months down the line. Thank you, Henron, for that question. Let me see here. Ron wants to know, Ron, thank you again. Can we watch videos on YouTube as well? Let's see. Yes, absolutely. And we encourage that. And we do have videos coming out about once a week. So subscribe to our channel. Again, they're not sales focused. They're more machine focused on what the machines can do in 5th generation, some things to look for. Again, we love talking shop and we do it well. But at the same time, our machines are designed to really help you and fit your needs, you know, from cabinets to countertops, the zoning capabilities that really complement that type of manufacturing. Again, all done with a touch screen. Let's see if I'm going to scroll back down again to look at questions. And okay. And I want to say this, Tablon. Okay, great name. Calibration. Okay, his question was, how often do I calibrate the machine and what's involved in tool measuring? Actually straightforward, and I'm going to quickly answer this because we're running out of time, but calibration you never have to do. Homing is a thing of the past. It's eliminated 50 plus wires, power, mechanical mechanisms that really frustrate the whole CNC process. So no homing on your machine. In addition, tool measuring, again, touch screen. You'll touch tool measure, you'll select the number you want to do, and that's as difficult as it gets. So with that in mind, I wanted to, thank you for the question. I wanted to, again, remind everybody, love to buy you coffee. Talk to our customer service department. They'll get you a quote on a machine that you think is right for you, that especially on the Sidewinder that you can expand with. My name is Chris Corrales, and once again, I want to thank you for being